Hello everyone, OFC here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to unbox and review the Mb-102 breadboard and power supply kit. Let's dive right into it. First impressions, the packaging looks sleek and premium, and I've already removed the tape and the address stickers. So in the pack there is wires, a breadboard and a power supply. This is an Mb-102 power supply. It can be used to supply power to your breadboard and other various components on the breadboard. These are breadboard jumper wires. They can be used to connect various components on the breadboard. This is a breadboard. It is used for building temporary circuits or circuit prototyping. It is useful to designers because it allows components to be removed and replaced easily. The back side of the breadboard has an adhesive backing so you can stick it onto your table when you want to prototype. The power supply can output 3.3 volts to 5 volts DC. The input voltage is 7 to 10 volts DC, but I will be using 9 volts for my projects. You can simply place the power supply on the breadboard and push it downwards so it can click on the breadboard. It won't be easy to put the power supply on the breadboard for the first time, as you may have to force it on the breadboard. This happens when the breadboard is still brand new. After you're done connecting the power supply to the breadboard, you may connect your 9-volt barrel jack and test to see if the breadboard works. What I like about these wires is that they have different colors and they have different lengths, so you can use it for different applications on the breadboard. So the kit has yellow, green, blue, black and red wires. Like I said before, the wires have different lengths. We have longer wires and we also have shorter wires. The sizes are different. I do not have a 9-volt barrel jack connector, so I am using crocodile clips. You can see that when I press the button on the power supply, there is a green light that turns on. That means that the power supply is working perfectly good and it's supplying power to the breadboard. So I'm gonna create a simple circuit to show that it's working. Now you can see that the LEDs are on and the breadboard power supply is supplying 3.3 volts to each bus strip, so I don't have to worry about resistors. Now I am moving the LEDs parallel to one another to see if they will still switch on 3.3 volts. The LEDs are now in parallel and powered using 3.3 volts. Now I will be using 5 volts for the LEDs to see how they can handle. You can switch the output voltage by just shifting this little yellow thingy. I don't know what they call it, but you can shift it to 5 volts so that the power supply can output 5 volts to the bus strips. The LEDs seem to handle 5 volts pretty well. The output can also be turned off to save power. I'm honestly impressed with the features that this product has, that this power supply has. The features are amazing, and this thing is easy to use at home. You can buy it for young kids to learn with electronics. It's just amazing and it's impressive. Power supply also has a third output point for individual components on the breadboard. The third output point can also output 3.3 volts to 5 volts. The third output point is known as the Berg header. Thank you for watching this video. More videos are coming up, so make sure to like and subscribe.